What's up? I'm RavageDragon and welcome to Ravagelands, a special unboxing. I am unboxing my new special edition headset, earbuds. It's Pokemon special edition. There goes the earbuds, and there goes the charging dock. So yeah, this is the box I'm going to start unboxing, and it's from the company Razer. Oh, no, wait, here, Razer. So we're gonna do that in just a second. All right, here goes the box. I'm opening it up, and oh, look at that. That looks so cool. Oh wow, it's a Pokeball box. It looks so cool. Look, oh, this looks awesome. It's a Pokeball. Holy crap, do I press the button to open it? How do I open this? Oh, slide it open. All right. So yeah, look at the earbuds. The earbuds look so cool. They're yellow. Pikachu have earbuds. You close it. Yeah. Oh, it has a standard connector. Like current phones today has a standard connector, so you could just plug it in and charge the charging dock. Alright, why do I keep forgetting how to open this? Oh, okay. Alright, so look, this is awesome. This is so cool. It even makes a Pikachu sound, but I don't think the microphone can pick it up. So yeah. So this is so oh man, so cool, so fun. This is really fun. Wow, look, the earbuds look like these. It has like Pikachu's back on it. Oh man, this is so awesome. Yeah, this is cool looking earbuds. I like them. And the way it looks presented in here looks so cool. Little Pokeball. It looks awesome. I love this. This looks so freaking awesome. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Yeah, oh, it's a little box, a holding case. Wow, this is so cool, so cool. All right, cool. So this is the charging cable, so you connect it to the laptop or computer, and this is the connect the plastic rubber things to put in your ear. This is the holder, so I can put it through the Pokeball and I can carry it around. And oh look, I guess this is the instruction manual. The instruction manual is here, and it's in Chinese. I can't read none of that. I don't speak Mandarin or Cantonese. So yeah, I'm gonna put this here. Oh, I got this thing here, which is just a card to let you know. Special edition card, yeah. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in the box. Alright, cool. So I hope you guys like this, and I'll be back. Thank you guys for this unboxing. Yep, the headset. It even goes Pika. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like my content, just please subscribe here on Ravagelands Productions here on YouTube. Also, if you like to contact me in Twitter, it's RavageDragon. Also, if you like my videos of gaming and whatnot, I do stream on D-Live, which is RavageDragon, Trovo, which is also RavageDragon, and on Twitch, which is The Real RavageDragon. Alright, so I hope you guys have fun, have a lovely day, and peace out.